Hello, welcome to LegenDay Kitchen Wheel. Hi, today I will introduce this product, silicone gloves. You can see. First, it has many kind of colors such as orange, black, red, purple, and other colors. It also can accept customize other color, and it also can print your logo on this position. And you can see the inside, it is cotton material. You can see. And it also have different size. This is the longest size. And let me show you the function for this. It can use for micro oven. Let me see. This is a micro oven, and you can open it and take this. It won't hurt your hand. Protect your